Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about how we can evaluate this logarithm. Okay, so without using a calculator. Okay, so if you remember one of the rules that I mentioned earlier, so I'll put the video on the top right corner. Okay, so I can actually change this to log 2 to the power of 3, right? So 8 is equals to 2 to the power of 3, base 2. Okay, and then we can bring the 3 in front. So this becomes 3 times log 2 base 2. And one of the special results, right? Okay. It says that log A base A is equals to 1, right? So hence log 2 base 2 should be equals to 1. Okay. And then we have 3 times 1, which is 3. Okay. So that's the answer. All right. Without using a calculator. Okay. So I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.